Hey folks, Mac T here, and I got another SSM 48123 positive battery cable clamp BT4Z-14450-AA and negative battery cable clamp BT4Z-14450-BA are available. So basically what this says is that some vehicles that require positive negative battery terminal replacement does not necessarily replace the complete battery cable harness, which is a 14300 and a 14301 for this concern. The positive battery cable clamp and the negative battery cable clamp are available for this type of repair. So you don't have to replace the whole cable. You can put a new clamp on there. So basically, do not cut or shorten the battery cable. Instead, carefully remove the affected battery cable clamp and clean the cable end as necessary to preserve wire length. Some rework may be necessary for some vehicle environments. Bend the new positive battery cable clamp as needed and crimp it to the existing battery cable. Make sure to use heat shrink tubing over the battery cable to battery cable clamp connection and obtain the heat shrink tube locally. In other words, off the shelf heat shrink tube will do. So what model years does this cover? Well, looks like we have a long list, but I'm gonna, since it's a Ford Edge group, I'm gonna jump right to it. But it is a long list, folks. Yes, this one. I think there's 3 pages worth. So basically every Ford or Lincoln vehicle made since 2012, this is the fix. Okay, so Ford Edge, let's see, what do we got? 2012 through 2019, it covers that. Lincoln MKX, I'm gonna say, is included. Lincoln MKX 2012 through 2015, and let's see, what other one do we have? We don't have any other Lincolns, so the new Lincoln doesn't have a problem with that apparently. Fusions, you know, F-150s, 250s, 450s, 550s, vans, everybody's included in this. So this part number that I just mentioned here will help you out if you're having battery cable clamps for the negative and positive issues. You can get those part numbers and you can replace them. So remember those part numbers. I'll put them in the description for you all so you can make sure you get the right part number for them. But if nothing else, there you go. You got the parts right there handed to you so you can get these battery cables if you have a problem. I will say all you have to do is maintain the darn thing in the first place. Keep it from getting corroded and all this other stuff, and you can avoid this whole situation. So a little bit of battery terminal cleaner, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of dielectric grease on there to keep corrosion from happening. All good standard battery maintenance will definitely help you out on this. So make sure that you do your due diligence and check that battery once in a while. You know, as with all things, I'm rather more of a advocate of the AGM battery because you don't have the slush box there spraying acid all over the place, corroding everything, and that also helps. Although a lot of the new Ford Edges 2019 on, or maybe even earlier, do have AGM batteries automatically put in them, so that makes it a lot easier. But either way, I hope that this information helps you out. Remember, like, subscribe, join MACTFORDEDGE, and also on Facebook, same thing. Let's see, Band of One's got some great music all the time. Mercy Grill always has a couple of one-liners, and my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Grill production.
Yokohama. For those days when you just need another tire. There you go. 4 to go. This one actually smells almost new. It's Nokian. There we go. One Blizzak.